We knew the need of the customers to see their emissions in a certain way. They were asking us for it, and we couldn't deliver quickly enough. At first, we were trying to do the adjustments of the dashboards ourselves internally using our engineering team. But soon we realized that we try to be as agile as we can. And so the feedback loop between the idea of a dashboard and the push to production was way too long. Just because if you want to develop a new dashboard and create the right data set, and you have to explain to the engineering team, which is not the client-facing team, what to do, is super long. So it was really an ask and an internal problem not being able to deliver it quickly. Our support teams are engineers that are climate experts because they support our clients in their climate trajectory, in their analysis of their emissions. And so it was giving these people the ability to create the dashboard that they saw their clients needed. And that ability is priceless because the need is just in front of the person that can solve it. That's what we aimed to do. What Cumul allowed us to do is being able to personalize the experience per sector in our SaaS in a very simple manner. And now what we do is that the client-facing team is directly doing the dashboard. And so the problem was really this length of the feedback loop. So at first it was from a customer to a support person to an engineer, maybe to a designer to an engineer. So 4 people involved and a lot of back and forth. Now it's just a client and a support person, or a climate expert as we call them internally. And now it's just the client, right? Because they have a need, they want to see the data in a certain form or with certain thresholds, etc. Well, they can try and build it themselves and see if that really fits their needs. So it's really, the ultimate feedback loop because they can build what they need. So it's really shortening and allowing people to have the experience they really need on the platform. As head of engineering, it was really removing all these asks for new dashboards and putting that force and that power in the hands of people in front of clients. So it really also solved an internal support demand that was huge, right? Because if you have these hundreds of dashboards that need to be built by your engineering tool, then you have hundreds of tickets. And so it really solved this. And it solved the question of dashboards because people can just build them once they have the need. Now we have hundreds of dashboards that were built by the teams, which is the proof that we could deploy it very easily in our teams.